As HR professionals, data accuracy is everything. In this video, we shall learn how we can control data accuracy by adding drop-down menus in our Excel sheet. While entering employee record, a minor spelling mistake can make report breaks, wrong counts, and hours of wastage of time fixing them. That's what happens when we don't use predefined values of drop-down menus. While we use predefined values of drop-down menus in our Excel sheet, we can standardize the input, control data accuracy, and make HR reports clean and looks professional. Let's see how. Here I have my data. This is a sample data. In this data, we shall control data input in department column. To make it, we'll have to select the range of data, then go to data tab, then select data validation. Once the data validation is selected, we will select allow values as list because we want a predefined list of departments. In the source text box, we shall enter our department names. Our department names are IT, HR, Finance, Marketing, Operations, and whatever your department names, you can add them. Press OK, and you can see that a drop-down menu is appearing. If we click on that menu, all those department names which we have entered appearing here. It means that we have restricted our user to select only these defined values from the drop-down menu in the sheet. In this way, we shall control data accuracy and data validation across the all sheet. Even if the user changes, he will be entering the same input as of other users. That's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe and don't forget to share with others to help them. We have started Excel for HR series. In this series, we shall bring real case scenarios in HR departments. See you in the next one.